Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, satellite radio, rear view camera. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, tires, front all-terrain. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.